Hey guys, this is Miss G. I am sorry that I had to cancel class, um, but I figured it sounds like some of you are having some trouble with this scrap test handout for discussion 10, so I wanted to come on here and do a quick screencast video. So if you come in here to discussion 10, I'm going to do this, like I said, this quick video just to kind of help explain how to do this. So if we go into discussions, and we scroll down to 10, it says download and type in the crop test handout, then post it to the discussion board. So one thing I don't want you guys to skip is if you come back up and we go here to content and we go into the week 10 module, here is this awesome page that the library has created, and it explains the point of CRAP. Essentially, this is a criteria that the library has invented. They've used the acronym CRAP to help you decipher whether a website is a good website or not. So make sure you take some time to read through this. This is really, really helpful, and it's really well put together. I'm not going to go over it in detail in this video overview, just because I'm losing my voice a little bit. Oops. So let's take a look back at the handout, the crop test. So just put your name, put the URL of the website that you're considering using. Now remember, you guys are working towards an ultimate research paper that you're going to turn in at the end of the semester, right? So we're in week 10, means we have about 6 weeks before we're really going to churn out this essay. So right now you're building the annotated bibliography for that essay, right? You're putting together all of the sources and compiling them into an annotated bib. So one of your sources is quite possibly a website that you would be using. So you'll include the URL, and so you're choosing one of the sources from the essay. And I know you haven't written your research paper yet. You haven't actually written the essay part, or maybe you have started it. But these are the sources. The annotated bibliography are the sources that you will use in that essay. So one of those. And you want to come through here and just answer these questions about that source and give it a ranking, and then post this document to the discussion board. And then when you're looking at your classmates, you want to give them feedback, but also really we want to think about giving each other recommendations for things that they should look into when exploring their essay further. So we want to help each other, give each other ideas moving forward. And so that's what this week's discussion is about. So I'm going to go back in here to the table of contents and back into week 10. And here we are. So you do have the assigned reading quiz. Here are some 1102 basics, MLA, and APA style. So you can use those. But that's pretty much the bulk of what we're doing this week. So just keep in mind, next week is the week that your annotated bibliography will be due. We are going to do that in our discussion board as well. So just make sure you're really putting together that annotated bibliography, really compiling those resources, and also taking notes as you're going through these, because the end of the term is going to come really quickly. We're in week 11, so really it's about 6 weeks left to get that working towards that final paper. So guys, I will be on campus Thursday, so if you need anything, you're welcome to email me and I'll give you a place that I can chat with you. I should be in our new classroom, which is 132. But as always, you can email me as well. I'm here to help, even if I had to cancel class. So just keep working. You guys have all been doing an excellent job. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great night.